When you envisage a picture postcard from a tropical vacation destination such as we have in the Caribbean, this is probably what comes to mind. What is missing is the problem.
Studies show that per capita, plastic pollution is one of the highest rates in our Caribbean states.
And this is quite evident when it rains heavily.
OECS economies are largely dependent on tourism. Similarly, important economic sectors like agriculture and fisheries are fully dependent on the natural environment and the health of ecosystems.
It has been estimated that by 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean than there would be fish, and that's a staggering statistic.
Plastic is everywhere. In the ocean, our rivers, drains, waterways, and ever present along our roads, highways, playgrounds, and wastelands.
That in itself is a challenge to us in Dominica.
Both our landfills are fast approaching the end of their lifespan.
There is a major issue in the Caribbean, St. Lucia included.
Today, the flame of hope has been ignited by the Replast-OECS pilot plastic recycling project.
We're talking about implementing an end-to-end process, a supply chain from collection to export for plastic waste management at a regional level and with an innovative economic model.
The French government initiated this project. It was part of, I would say, St. Lucia or OECS French cooperation initiative.
And we're doing this project along with key partners, of course, the government of St. Lucia, OECS, GIZ, and also some private partners.
It's one thing to say that we need to recycle and collect plastic, but do we have the systems in place?
St. Lucia is the pilot country for the first 2 years of the project, between 2019 and 2021.
The Replast project was the answer to many of our problems.
We consider this project very, very important to the people of Roselet.
We're delighted to be pioneer members of the Replast Hotel scheme in St. Lucia.
I'm happy that that is happening now because it will help, I think, in focusing the efforts on proper collection and separation of waste that can be recycled.
Plastics have proven to be very troublesome, but now we are engaged in activities to ensure that they become part of what we call the circular economy.
This project is not about delivering studies. It's a very operational and results-oriented project with real-life implementation, on-the-ground action. The project has been designed as a regional initiative from the start, with the view of replication in other OECS countries.
And what Replast has done is to set up that connection between households and institutions and private sector and government so that together you have that seamless relationship that allows the process to work well.